this video is bilingual. We put this video bilingual because the students who study Hindi and the students who study English, both the type of students get benefit from this video. So without any delay, let's start this video. This is our question number first of this video. Which state government has announced to set up the country's first leather park? There are four options. Option number one, Madhya Pradesh. Option second, Andhra Pradesh. Option third, Gujarat. Option four, Uttar Pradesh. Let's see the question in Hindi. किस राज्य सरकार ने देश का पहला चमड़ा पार्क स्थापित करने की घोषणा की? तो ऑप्शंस आर सेम. विदाउट एनी डिले आई विल टेल यू द आंसर. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4, उत्तर प्रदेश. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In which city the chairman of Khadi and Village Industries Commission, Vinesh Kumar Saxena, launched the country's first mobile processing vehicle? Therefore, option Lucknow, Gujarat, Meerut, Muradabad. खादी और ग्राम आयोग के अक्षय विनय कुमार सक्सेना ने कौन से शहर में देश की पहली मोबाइल प्रोसेसिंग वैन लॉन्च की? लखनऊ, गाजियाबाद, मेरठ और मुरादाबाद. So our correct option is option number second, Ghaziabad. Move forward to the next one. This is our question number third. By how much did the Election Commission increase the election expenditure limit in the big states from 70 lakhs? 70 lakhs. Now the first option is 75 lakhs. Second option is 90 lakhs. Third option is 80 lakh. Fourth option is 95 lakh. Now see the question in Hindi. चुनाव आयोग के बड़े राज्यों में चुनाव खर्च की सीमा 70 लाख से बढ़ाकर कितनी कर दी? So our correct option is option number 4, 95 lakh. Move forward to the next question. This is our question number 4. According to UNICEF data, which country has ranked 12th in the world in the term of marrying minor girls? There are four options. The first option is Philippines. Second is Australia. Third is Afghanistan. Fourth is India. Now see the question in Hindi. यूनिसेफ के आंकड़ों के मुताबिक नाबालिग लड़कियों की शादी करने के मामले में विश्व भर के देशों ने कौन सा देश 12वें स्थान पर है? So our correct option is option number first, Philippines. Now move forward to the next. This is our question number 5th. Recently, what percentage of the state got total e-governance type? Four options: 4, 6, 5, 7. Now let's see the question in Hindi. हाल ही में प्रदेश को कुल कितने प्रतिशत ई गवर्नेंस प्रकार मिले? सो आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड, 5. 5 प्रकार मिले. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. व्हेन डिड द वुमेन गेट द फ्रेंचाइज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया? ऑप्शन फर्स्ट 1923, ऑप्शन सेकंड 1926, ऑप्शन थर्ड 1921, ऑप्शन फोर्थ 1924. लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन इन हिंदी. भारत में पहली बार महिलाओं को मत अधिकार कब प्राप्त हुआ? 1923 में, 1926, in 1921, in 1924. So our correct option is in 1926. The government get the franchise in 1926. महिला. चलो, now let's move forward to the next question. Recently, Bank of Baroda appointed whom as this brand ambassador? Kajal Verma, शेफाली वर्मा, काजल शर्मा. हाल ही में बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा ने किसे अपना ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाया? काजल वर्मा, शेफाली शर्मा, शेफाली वर्मा, काजल शर्मा. So correct option is शेफाली वर्मा. So Bank of Baroda appointed his brand ambassador शेफाली शर्मा. So correct option is option number 3, शेफाली वर्मा. Sorry. This is our question number 8. Who is the first election commissioner of India? So there are 4 options for each. The first is Sukumar Sen, second Jawaharlal Nehru, third Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, fourth Rajendra Prasad. The same question in Hindi. भारत का प्रथम चुनाव आयुक्त कौन है? सुकुमार सेन, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल and Rajendra Prasad. So correct option is option number first, Sukumar Sen. Move forward to the next question. This is our question number 9. Who has become the new chief secretary of UP? Durga Sharma, Durga Shankar Mishra, Vishali Sharma, Vishali Shankar Mishra. यूपी के नए मुख्य सचिव कौन बने हैं? दुर्गा शर्मा, दुर्गा शंकर मिश्रा, Vishali Sharma, Vishali Shankar Mishra. So correct option is option number second, Durga Shankar Mishra. Now let's see the next question. This is our question number 10. Which has become the first state in the country to have an airstrip on the to express? There are four options: Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana. Let's see the question in Hindi. दो एक्सप्रेसवे पर हवाई पट्टी वाला देश का पहला राज्य कौन बना? So correct option is option number 3, Uttar Pradesh. Now let's see next question. This is the last question for this video. Where has India's first open block museum been inaugurated recently? Hyderabad, Ghaziabad, Lucknow, Bangalore. Let's see the question in Hindi. हाल ही में भारत का पहला ओपन ब्लॉक संग्रहालय का उद्घाटन कहाँ किया गया है? The correct option is Hyderabad. I hope each and every how many MLAs will listen to 15.02 crore voters in UP election? There are four options for this question. Option number 1, 208 MLAs. Option 2, 403 MLAs. Option 3, 501 MLAs. Option 4, 309 MLAs. The same question in Hindi language is यूपी चुनाव में 15.02 करोड़ मतदाता सुनेंगे कितने विधायक? There are four options. The option will same. So I'm directly telling you the answer. The correct answer is option number 2. 403 विधायक. So there are total 403 MLAs are there in the UP election. Now move forward to the next question. This is our question number 2. With the establishment of 100 new Sainik schools, which armies will girls get a chance to join? There are four options for this question. Option first, Inscripture Armies. Option second, Indian Army. Option third, Indian Navy. Option fourth, Indian Air Force. Let's see the question in Hindi. 100 नए सैनिक स्कूलों की स्थापना से लड़कियों को कौन सी सेनाओं में शामिल होने का मौका मिलेगा? फोर ऑप्शंस: शास्त्र सेना, शस्त्र सेना, भारतीय सेना, भारतीय नौसेना, भारतीय वायुसेना. So our correct option is option number 1. Inscripture armies means Shastra Sena. Now move forward to the next question. Question number 3. Which convocation ceremony of RU and 76th Foundation Day took place online? There are four options: 31st, 34th, 55th, 45th and 65th. Same question in Hindi. Let's see it. RU का कौन सा दक्षिण समारोह और 76 स्थापना दिवस ऑनलाइन हुआ? तो कौन सा हुआ था? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट, 31st, मतलब 31वां समारोह उसका हुआ था. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Which women have been selected from Agra in Indian team for World Cup one-day series to be held in New Zealand? So we have to tell the names of these women. Now let's see the answers of this question. There are four options. Option number first, Poonam Yadav and Dipti Yadav. Option second, Poonam Yadav and Dipti Sharma. Option third, Dipti Yadav and Dipti Sharma. Option fourth, Poonam Yadav and Dipti Yadav. Okay, now let's see the same question in Hindi. न्यूजीलैंड में होने वाली वर्ल्ड कप में वनडे सीरीज के लिए भारतीय टीम में आगरा से कौन कौन सी महिलाओं का चयन हुआ? So the options are same for this also. So I am directly telling you the answer. The answer is Poonam Yadav and Dipti Sharma. So our question and option number second is correct. Poonam Yadav and Dipti Sharma. Now move forward to the next question. This is question number 5. Let's see it. The question is saying that in how many phases will there be an election in UP? So how many phases there will be election in UP? There are option 5, 7, 4, 8. Now let's see the question in Hindi. Then I will tell you the answer. UP में कितने चरणों में चुनाव होंगे? So there are total 7 चरणों में elections होंगे. Means there are total 7 phases. Now move forward. Next question. What big gift has the Yogi government given to the farmers in the midst of the assembly election? There are four options. Electricity rate 0. Electricity rate is 1/4. Electricity rates half. Electricity rates increased. Same question in Hindi. Let's see it. विधानसभा चुनाव की आहट के बीच योगी सरकार ने किसानों को कौन सा बड़ा तोहफा दिया है? बिजली की देरी सुनने, बिजली की देरें एक आगे, बिजली की देरें आधी, बिजली की दरें Mewardit. So our correct option is option number third. The electricity rates half. The Yogi government has put the electricity half for our farmers. Next, forward to the next question. Move forward. So this is our question number 7. Where will the Khelo Indian Game Year 2030 be organized? Ghaziabad, Meerut, Delhi, and Bhopal. The same question in Hindi. Let's see it. खेलो इंडिया गेम्स सन 2030 का आयोजन कहाँ किया जाएगा? गाजियाबाद में, मेरठ, दिल्ली और भोपाल. So our correct option is option number 4. In Bhopal, this game is organized. Now move forward to the next question. This is our question number 8. In which district of Uttar Pradesh Mandal Commission Dr. Ajay Shankar Pandey has taken a big step in the campaign to promote Sanskrit language? 4 options for this question. Option number first, Jhansi. Option second, Lucknow. Option third, Muradabad. Option fourth, Ayodhya. Let's see the question in Hindi. उत्तर प्रदेश में किस जिले में मंडल आयोग डॉक्टर अजय शंकर पांडे ने संस्कृत भाषा को बढ़ावा देने के अभियान में बड़ा कदम बढ़ाया? झांसी, लखनऊ, मुरादाबाद या अयोध्या? The correct option is option number first, Jhansi. Move forward to the next question. Question number 9. Which state has got the first place which place has got the first place in the best state category under the National Water Award 2020? There will be options. Option number first, Madhya Pradesh. Option second, Rajasthan. Option third, Uttar Pradesh. Option fourth, Tamil Nadu. राष्ट्रीय जल पुरस्कार सन 2020 के तहत सर्वश्रेष्ठ राज्य श्रेणी में किस राज्य को पहला स्थान मिला? मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, उत्तर प्रदेश या तमिलनाडु? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज उत्तर प्रदेश. सो फर्स्ट जो हमारा प्लेस था वो उत्तर प्रदेश. नाउ द सेकंड प्लेस विल गेट फ्रॉम राजस्थान एंड थर्ड विल बी तमिलनाडु. I am also mentioned this, so don't be confused for this question. First place will be held to Uttar Pradesh. After Uttar Pradesh, there will be Rajasthan, and after Rajasthan, there will be Tamil Nadu. I hope this is clear to you. Move forward to the next. Question number 10. At which place of the state will the Center of Excellence and Incubation Center be set up? Kaushambi, Fatehpur, Ravidas Nagar, Sant Kabir Nagar. Let's see the question in Hindi. प्रदेश में किस स्थान पर सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस एंड इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर बनाया जाएगा? कौशाम्बी, फतेहपुर, रविदास नगर एंड संत कबीर नगर. So our correct option is option number first, Kaushambi. Remember this. Now move forward. Next question. Question number 11, and this question is the last question for this video. Uttar Pradesh government has announced to name Mainpuri Sainik School after whom? There are options Vijay Kumar Jain, General Vipin Rawat, Ram Sharma और राम रावत. The same question in Hindi. उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार ने मेनपुरी सैनिक स्कूल का नाम किसके नाम पर रखने की घोषणा की? विजय कुमार जैन, जनरल विपिन रावत, राम शर्मा, राम रावत. So correct option is option number second, जनरल विपिन रावत. तो उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार ने मणिपुर सैनिक स्कूलों का नाम जनरल विपिन रावत के नाम पर रखने की घोषणा की. So I hope each and every question is clear to you. So thank you so much for watching this video.